Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you ASTER Multiseat running in Deepin OS. And currently I'm using Deepin OS version alpha. As you can see here, it's alpha version and the kernel is 6.21, and I have here 3 workplaces from internal graphics and 2 graphics card. So let me show you. So this one is the main workplace that I'm currently controlling. This is the second workplace, and third workplace is connected to HDMI 2 of this monitor. And just a bit, yeah, okay. So this is the workplace that is connected to the HDMI, and as you can see here, it's user 3. So let me zoom out a bit, and yeah. So you can see here, this is the second workplace I'm controlling right now. And new, one moment, NPOFETC, it's new fetch. Okay, so it's Deepin OS and 25 version, and as you can see here, the GPU, it's Intel Alder Lake S and AMD ATI FirePro W4100 and AMD ATI FirePro W600, and the system has a total of 32 GB, and out of them just around 3 GB is being used. And desktop environment is DDE, that is Deepin desktop environment, and it's currently running a kernel 6.12. So let me come back here now. So this is the third workplace. Let me show you the user account. Center accounts, and as you can see, the user 3 is currently logged in. And if you look on the second workplace here, this one, let me open the control center and account. This one is using the user 2, and let me go back to the primary account or main workplace. Okay, so the main workplace is this one. And okay, now let me open Aster control to show you that it's currently enabled and running. And as you can see here, there are 3 workplaces, 2.1, 1.1 and 3.1. This is the third workplace, and this is the second and the first one. And I have already assigned keyboard mouse, and it's enabled currently. I can click disable to disable it. And Deepin OS and US are basically same. Deepin OS is the freeware or community version, while US is enterprise or paid version of the operating system. And in my previous video, I showed you the US in action using ASTER Multiseat control, and this one is Deepin OS 25. And using ASTER, you can create workplaces easily without having to go through all the hassles of setting up workplaces or seats through the command line. So that's about it for this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.